I've been on Bigo Live all day, y'all. So, so y'all, if y'all missing me, okay. So let me. So my bed is made up. I want to show y'all my bed is made up, but I'm about to unmake it. I'm gonna go get paid this pillow because he wanted another pillow. I'm gonna put this right there. Hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? Sip Nation, definitely. Sip Nation definitely in the building. What's going on, sippers? What's going on? I know, girl. I'm just a cute fat. Take it. Yes, get just a cute fat ticky. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So truthfully speaking, y'all know what I'm doing, so I can't go crazy like I want just yet. All the craziness is coming, but I will hold it for a minute. But I just had to come live to tell y'all about this part. Y'all know I can't go crazy. What's going on, Wayne Twins? How you doing? So, all right. So, in case you haven't noticed or been on my page yet, if you didn't know, I'm gonna just give you a little bit light background on the information. As y'all know, earlier this year, like in March, I was actually sued by Judy and the Brat. They have this high-priced lawyer named Heather from Chicago, and had a former city attorney named Sharonda from New Orleans as the attorney. So they had two big high-priced attorneys. And they hit me with all kind of motions and paperwork and stuff like that and whatnot. Okay? Now, I had none of that. I ain't got money. So, as y'all know, while in prison, I got my paralegal degree. Go listen to prison stories if you know, like my paralegal certificate. Excuse me, not degree. My paralegal certificate. So I kind of know, I'm not a lawyer, but I know how to work my way around a little something. You know, I'm not a lawyer. That doesn't mean like a lawyer. I cannot represent you. I cannot answer your legal questions. Do not hit me up with them because I can't do that. I don't know how to do that. Go get a lawyer because lawyers know what they're doing. And it's hard being a lawyer. Okay? So, so they sued me in March. They wanted me to take down videos in which I dragged them through the mud, and the children who used to be Collider kids, the ones that she messed over, she wanted the Lil James, all of them. You know, as far as she messed over the kids, she wanted me to take that down. She wanted that down. They also I threatened to expose the Brat news that I got from her ex-girlfriend. That's the one thing that I had to not do or agree not to do. But everything else. So today, finally, after all those months, the case has been dismissed. So they lost. The videos are all on YouTube. You can go see them. The posts, I did delete the posts, but if you want to see them, go look at them on YouTube. They're not going anywhere. The case was dismissed. They're up there and stuck there. So, yeah, the real big Judy and the Brat. As you know, I exposed their relationship to the world. They were not ready to come out with it. They want, you know how she loves a storyline. So she wanted to make the story. She wanted to flirt with it a little bit more in order to build more anticipation because she was trying to go viral with their story. It did land her a spot on Growing Up Hip Hop. So they're going to be on that. It did land that for them. So they're going to be on Growing Up Hip Hop. They didn't think I knew it, but I know. But anyway, long story short, they're not going to tell y'all yet it's going to come. But remember I told you first, they're going to be on Growing Up Hip Hop. So it did land her a spot on that. But at the same time, her going viral with it, it didn't happen like she wanted to do. And she tried to say it was my fault that happened because of that. So, as y'all know, that's the little background information on it. If you want it, it's definitely chronicled on YouTube. Just head over to my YouTube. Subscribe while you're over there. We have 50K subscribers on YouTube. Sip Nation is very strong over there. Go over there and check it out. And you could just look it up. Just type it, my name and maybe her name, or my name and her name, and you could just go in order. If somebody wants to make a playlist, I'll actually pay you for that. If you want to make a playlist for me, I don't know. I need you, man. Just make a playlist that I could just have people go to for that, just that particular story. I'll definitely pay for you for that. But all the videos are definitely on YouTube. None of them have been taken down. The case has been dismissed, so of course I don't have to take anything down. But I want to share only with you one component of that tonight. Really ain't that? Yeah, so, yeah. So, okay. But, okay. Can't say finance in the building. What's up, Kente, my friend? I'm gonna meet him this weekend in person, so that's gonna be cute. I ain't gonna molest him, though. I might try. If y'all want me to, I will. All right, so. There's one part about this that I just had to talk about. And I'm not talking about them in a negative light. Let them go on and live their little life. What's your subscribers info for YouTube? YouTube.com/MC Shakie. But you could go and do. You could go, you just type in my name and it's gonna come up. Yes, tonight. Check your DM, I will. All right, so excuse me for the comments. I want to talk about this real quick because I want you to know. I want you to know about this. So I'm not talking about that right now, Kelly Camera. I apologize if you're not listening to what I'm talking about. I'm sorry. This is not what it is. This is what I want y'all to know. The part about this is the only one component I'm talking about. I'm not talking about anything else. But please go over there and subscribe and check them out so you know what we're talking about and get caught up on. But this is what I want to say. They had 2 high-priced lawyers. And I had myself. But they were so adamant about these videos coming down. In the course of this, we had a settlement talk. The judge actually ordered us to go to a magistrate judge. The judge asked us, okay, if you, and I have to read this, y'all, word for word, I'm so sorry, but I need y'all to understand this. Because this is the part that would just really bewilder me, how these people are, and I need y'all to understand this. Because people be thinking people are just so authentic and so genuine, and they're really not. And I just have to understand this, because I know this is coming directly from that person. So, like I said, I'm not talking about them in no negative light. Let them go on and live their life. I really don't have no issue with these people. Let them go. They're worthless to me. I got bigger and better things to worry about. That's on their body. So, whatever they got going on, cool. If y'all want to watch them, go watch them. I realize people have exposed these people to you for real, and people still are like, so that lets me know people really like the fake. People really like that fakeness. People like what they show you, and they don't like it. But I'm going to show you the real them, and I got to show you the real me, because this is who I am. This part I couldn't tell y'all until the case is dismissed, and I'm glad it's dismissed so I can finally tell this, because it shows you me. It shows you who I am. And you can like me or love me or my mistakes about life, it is what it is. But if people love that fakeness, and I can't change that, that's what it is. All I could be is me. So I'm going to read this to you verbatim. But okay, so back to what I was saying. This is all public information. You can go look it up yourself. Whatever. The judge ordered us to go to a settlement negotiations. They said what they wanted, and I said what I wanted, and see if we could come to agreement. And this is why this case took so long, because neither one of us wanted to settle. But I want to show you what she wanted, and I'm going to show you my response to what they wanted. So what this is I printed it out. This is the document from their lawyer. And it was the email to what they said they wanted. I want to tell you about this. I'm going to turn the comments off. But it says, I'm going to read it together. It says, Mr. Risa, in advance of Thursday's settlement conference, this matter, in accordance with the order issued by the court, because the court ordered us to talk to the plaintiff, submit the following settlement demand. Okay, we understand that you are asserted to Judge Vance that you make approximately $1,000 per month in earnings, but some of your social media posts indicate that you have made tens of thousands of dollars with Sip Cosmetics in recent weeks. We should ask for your financials before making a demand as to monetary compensation of a settlement to clarify any ability to pay a settlement. All right, so basically, what they wanted was me to provide them my financial information from Sip Cosmetics to see how much they think they should pay me, or vice versa, or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to tell you what I put on that. Now, this is mine dated. So the next day, which is dated July 2nd, I told her this on that one, denied. A social media post is just, I'll say, Dear Miss Williams, thank you for your post-position statement in reference to the impending settlement conference. This is my position on your settlement demands. 1, denied. So I denied that. A social media post is just that. In post referencing $30,000, it was a comment. I was being sarcastic and condescending. It was not under oath and not meant to be taken literally. It was directed to an unknown poster who was being condescending and sarcastic to me. You bringing up the post is not proof of anything, and it is not my position to prove or disprove anything. The burden of proof is on your clients. What I told the judge is correct, and outside of discovery, or what I have provided already, I will not supply you with anything in regards to my personal or business finances, as I'm not legally required to do so. So this part of the settlement agreement is denied and non-negotiable. Okay, so this is what they're saying. Why would she have to pay you money when you made money off of Sip Cosmetics on the post? Look, sister, you got to prove that, not me. I know my rights. That's going to be denied. You're not going to get me to give up. You figure that out yourself, not me. Okay? I have a private company. I can or cannot post what I made. The only people I got to do is the tax people. At the same time, and I know, and bitch, don't trust me, I have a lot of business expenses. But at the same time, that's the only people that got to see what I make, not you, sister, unless I'm asked for it in discovery. But you're suing me. So you're supposed to say, oh, I don't have to pay you no money because you made your money back already. So that was that. But listen, it gets so worse. It gets so worse. Watch this. 2, we request that all the videos posted referenced in our pleadings be removed. She wanted all the videos removed. It appears that some posts have already been removed, but on the other hand, it also appears that you posted about something about Shawntae Harris, that's the Brat, as recently as last Friday. We would further request that you cease any future posts regarding the plaintiffs and or their products with a liquidated damages provision should any such agreement be violated. My clients are prepared to offer $1,000 per video and $500 per post for their immediate removal. Okay, so listen. So basically, it was going to give me $1,000 a video and $500 per post that was up in the settlement agreement if I agreed to take them all down and not post about them no more. So this is my response to that. Posts have been removed as your clients fell out of favor in trending. I talk about hot gossip and trending topics on my channels, and your clients are not any of those at the moment. That's just shady. I'm not against removing the videos and posts, as it doesn't matter to me about your client's past, but for me to remove the videos, I would like $2,500 per video to remove, and the assurances that are there indexed and destroyed. I have approximately 24 videos and 15 posts still up in reference to your clients. That is a total of $97,500. I did not post about Ms. Harris last Friday. I will also not agree to barring my freedom of speech rights for future posts either. If your clients do become a hot topic, I have the right to discuss my opinion about them, and I am in no way giving that up. I have the right to discuss my opinion. Okay, hold up. I will agree not to bring it up again anything in regards to the past of what I've discussed. However, I will not agree to anything that bars me from speaking on something they may do in the future. For example, if they decide to get married, that is a topic I will discuss. But anything about the kids' lives they destroyed, I will not remove. I said that. Anything about the kids' lives they destroyed, which is basically 4 videos about the parents, I will not remove. I can agree not to them further, as I do believe the kids shouldn't. I can agree not to go on them further, as I do not believe the kids should go through this. I also believe we should discuss further and would agree to that should a monetary settlement for them be agreed upon. I would also entertain an agreement to keep the terms of the agreement private and sealed. Okay, so what I said here was, me dragging for them, I'll delete them for $2,500. Bye. I'm not deleting no videos about the kids unless you have a settlement agreement for them too. That's who I am. Just want you to know. They offer me a rack of video. That's 24 racks. And 500 I posted, come up to like 50 almost for the post. 24, 50, my math up. It come up to something. I forgot what it was. But I said no. That's who I am. I'm not deleting nothing about them kids. The kids' videos where their parents telling me how your clients destroyed their life, I'm not deleting this unless you pay them some money. That's what I said. And I shut my mouth about it. If you could get them kids some money, we don't even need to, this will go away. Poof. I ain't worry about it. But other than that, I'm not deleting a bitch ass thing about them kids. What you did to them kids is wrong, and I'm not deleting about that. All right. So I denied that too. This was the last part. Listen. So they're in their settlement agreement. Finally, because of the damage to the plaintiff's business relationships as a result of your post, we request that you post a statement clarifying the inaccuracies in your post, and the statement would be drafted by the plaintiffs. This would include a statement saying that you and the parents were lying about the entire thing. So she wanted me to make a post that she drafted, basically saying me and the parents cooked this up for likes. So this is what this who I am and this is who she is. So this is what I said about that. I said this, completely denied. I will not say anything drafted by the plaintiffs ever. Ever. Never, you bitch, you, would I say something drafted by them. It don't even matter. I will not say that ever. That's not even in it. That's completely not. I will, however, offer this. I would offer your clients a chance to tell their side of the story in an Instagram live video interview. I would agree to preface the questions ahead of time, which is giving the questions ahead of time, and agree that the interview will be non-hostile. I won't cut up. I think that the plaintiffs could benefit from an interview from me telling their side. However, they want to tell it. I would even offer an apology of sorts at the end of the video and sort of a reconciliation from my brand to hers. Your client's love stories and her fan base would appreciate the fact that, I'm going to tell you, bitch, girl, she finally broke her silence. I am the one who broke their relationship. What better way to settle this matter than she finally face-to-face with me on an interview stage, seeing as how your clients love stories. I will agree to their interview on her terms. If she agrees to the interview, I would be open to drastically coming down on the price of the videos being removed. I might even consider entertaining offers to not speak of them negatively again should she grant the interview. So listen, I'm never saying something she's prepared. Get that out your mind. But I was gonna open up the flow for her to come and say what she wanted to say. And I was gonna keep my composure. I was gonna be nice. And I might have just, threw it in, I ain't gonna talk about y'all no more. My bad, keep it pushing. I offered that. That's the window I offered. That's as much as I could do for you. But me saying something you wrote, we ain't even finna do that. So that was her, so then she said, all right, we look forward to your response and to working on Thursday to hopefully reach an amicable resolution in this matter. Best regards. All right, so this is what my last thing I posted to her. I posted with her. I said, Miss Williams, please inform your client that I am strong on my position as I believe that her case is very weak. And it really costs me little to defend. I'm at a position of not losing anything. If I go to trial, I will request in discovery all of her business records to see exactly how I negatively impacted her business. I will subpoena all the parents who will tell the jury a million sob stories about how she ruined their children's lives. They will confirm that I did not pay them a quarter and they came to me under their own conviction. My platform is built on being an antagonist. She can't make me look broke or bad. Even losing in court, I still win because I get to play the press blogger. My reputation is that of mud, so she can't tarnish it. In fact, she helps it by the fact that I get to say I was sued by her and I fought back. You won't get any money because I don't have any. And the videos where I'm dragging for her and the videos where I'm dragging her getting taken down is something I could care less about. If I take it to trial, I get to talk about her more negatively because I took her to trial. The videos where the parents are talking about their own kids and how she ruined them will not come down unless she pays the kids. You see that? That's what I say. Let me highlight that. Hold on. I want y'all to see what it is. This is who I am. Listen, I get to talk about them negatively because more. The videos where the parents are talking about their own kids and how she ruined them will not come down unless she pays the kids. That's what I say. I want y'all to know who I am. If it is of no interest for me to settle this case because going to trial costs me nothing and I don't have anything to lose. Let's just be honest. You sent this case thinking that you could scare me into taking the videos down. Your client wants to intimidate me into thinking she hired big bad lawyers to get me. Ma'am, I was raped in prison in which I did 9 years and 1 month. I do not scare easily. While in prison, I sued prisons, wardens, and even sheriffs, writing motions by hand. The sheriff did sue me. But what they don't tell you is that we settle out of court. The video he sued me over is still up. The articles he sued me over are still up. I even had more interviews in another schedule, and the sheriff ended up having to pay me for wasting my time. That has no bearings on this case. I'm only bringing it up since you mentioned it in your complaint. Additionally, I'm no way equating my limited knowledge of law to yours, but I will say I can read, and you know I did not infringe upon your client's trademarks, and you have a hard time proving that to a jury. I'm open to settlement talks, but your demands are grossly one-sided. If you think think you're saving me the hassle of a lawsuit with those demands, ma'am, I have nothing better to do but Google motions to file. If you think you're saving me money, well, you are not. Those videos are taking in a whopping 6 cents per 1,000 views, and well, over my lifetime, that can add up. It's slow money, but it's sure money. So taking down the videos are not in my interest either. I'm unsure how your settlement demands are sent or amicable. Nonetheless, my position is simple. They are denied. I will never agree to any of that, as you put it, and I will formally state that at Thursday's hearings. Additionally, you may see my revised aforementioned opinions. I look forward to your response. In summary, I will not take down any video unless compensated monetarily. I will not provide financials. I will not say anything scripted. I want monetary settlement for me and the children for the deletion of the videos. I want an interview with their clients for agreeing with me that I talked about their past issues with them again. And outside that, we should prepare for trial. That is the only thing I see as amicable. Best regards, Rodney Roussel. Stop playing with the queen, you bitch, you. I'm not gonna Woosa. 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 I don't know who she thought she was playing with. I don't know who she thought she was playing with. I don't know who she thought she was playing with. I don't know who she thought she was playing with. Now listen. I'm broke. Everybody know. Especially in comparison to these gazillionaires. I'm broke. I ain't had no high-priced lawyer. I had myself a few legal books, a library card, bitch, and that's what I had. You heard me? That's what I had. I'm just letting y'all know. And that money looked good. I swear to God. I should have just took the money and run. But that'd be a bitch-ass nigga, because at the same time, them kids is the one who's hurt by this. And I don't want people to lose sight of that. Y'all can talk about me, and y'all can say I'm obsessed, and y'all can say what y'all want about shaking this, that, and the other. I like it. I'm not tripping. I'm built for it, tough. I can handle it. I wouldn't be on this people internet if I cared what people say. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, y'all can say, this is what I want y'all to know about shaking. I don't care what y'all say about me after that. Y'all can say I'm fat. Y'all can say I'm ugly. Y'all can say my ironing board, my back built like an ironing board. All that you want to say. But when it come down to them kids, I didn't fold. I didn't fold. In this settlement, I say, listen, and you can look at it. It's public information. Go Google it yourself. You can't pay me to fold on them. Pay them, and then we could talk. That's all I want you to know about me. I don't care what else you think about me. You might not like me. I'm obsessed. I talk about them, blah, 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 whatever. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, I ain't fold on them kids. I couldn't tell y'all that during the lawsuit. I couldn't prove that to y'all during the lawsuit. It's dismissed now, so I can show y'all. I couldn't show y'all that then. So the months y'all was talking about me, and the months y'all was dragging for me, and wondering why the hell I'm dragging for these people. Why the hell am I bringing these people to mud? Why the hell am I doing that? You know why I was doing it? Because them people want to make them kids out to be liars. If you want to do that to them, you want that, then you gonna pay them. That's what it was. That's why I wanted to. That's why I couldn't say nothing. But I just want y'all to know that about me. Whatever you think about me, whatever you think about me or however you feel about me, that's good. I don't care. It is what it is. But what I want y'all to know is that one thing about Shakie, that bitch ain't folding on no kids. The bitch ain't saying nothing. Look, you can bring me to the table, but what about them? What about them? I'm not saying nothing scripted for you. I'll let you say your side, but that's about it. I'm not gonna say them kids was lying. I'm not gonna say the parents was lying. That's what I want y'all to know about me. That's the only thing I want y'all to know about me. Everything else is out the window. I don't care what y'all think about me. It is what it is. It is what it is. If you saw it, you saw it. You didn't, you didn't. It is what it is, because I'm not gonna speak on it anymore. I'm not gonna speak on it anymore. But all I, because those people is irrelevant. Brat and Judy is irrelevant to me. But I want y'all to know one thing. Shakie ain't fold on them kids. That's what I ain't do. That's what I didn't do. At the end of that day, for months I warned y'all. Whereas y'all dragging me. Oh, you obsessed. You doing this. You blah, 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 blah. You don't let them live. Let them be great. No, bitch. I was standing up for them kids who ain't got stand up. That's what I didn't do. Whatever my scamming ass did in the past, whoever I am now, whatever dick I'm paying for, all that stuff, that's cool. But one thing Shakie ain't do. When it comes to them kids, I didn't fold on them. That's what I didn't do. So at the end of it, if you missed the beginning, I'm sorry. If you have your notifications on, is all I can tell you, baby, next time. Because I'm always come with something. So it is what it is. Put your notifications on. I didn't fold on the kids. Them kids look at me as uncle, and I'm always have their back. If you missed what she did, go look it up on YouTube. That's all I can tell. That's all I can tell you. I love y'all, and y'all have a number. I have, if you don't know what she did to the kids, go look it up on YouTube. That's all I can tell you. It's up there. It's up there. It's stuck there now. The case dismissed. So it's up there and stuck there. It's up there and stuck there. If you missed anything, go on YouTube. That's all I can say to do. Go look it up. I'm not gonna go back and tell you all this stuff. I'm not gonna do it. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. Go look it up. But I ain't fold on the kids. That's what I didn't do. At the end of the day, say what the fuck you want about Shakie. I said you gotta pay them for them videos coming out. They ain't coming out. They're gonna stay up there forever unless you pay them kids. Go pay them parents. Not the kids, of course the parents, I mean, at the same time. Love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later.